Welcome to Board.Vision Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to annotate on documents on an iPhone. To annotate on documents, log into the Board.Vision app for iPhone with your registered email and password. Open the document you would like to annotate. Tap on the annotation icon from the top bar. The annotation toolbar will be shown on the left side of the screen. Choose the tool to start annotating the document. Pen. Insert text. Highlighter. Add notes. Annotations are saved automatically in the system. To view the original document, tap on the eye icon. To delete the annotations, use the eraser to remove any pen annotations. To delete a text, highlight, or note annotation, tap on the annotation, and select the trash icon. To delete all the annotations, tap on the bookmarks icon, and clear all. Congratulations! You have completed the tutorial on how to annotate on documents. If you face any issues in completing the steps shown in this video, please reach out to our customer experience team at support@board.vision or +65 6909 7100, and we will be happy to help.